Hey guys, in this video I will give you a walkthrough how to actually buy and sell cryptocurrency. Gateio is a platform for cryptocurrency traders. If you are a crypto trader and you are looking for a medium to buy or sell your tokens or coins, I recommend Gateio to you. They are reliable and fast. So now without further ado, let's get right into it. Once you have got funds on your Gateio account, it's likely you would like to buy or sell cryptocurrency. So the most common cryptocurrency that people use as kind of like the fiat cryptocurrency is USDT. It's a stable coin and most of the pairs available on Gate.io are indeed USDT pairs. So to buy cryptocurrency, you need to go over to market, click on market price, and then you need to select the pair you would like to buy or trade. Then you need to go over to the search bar and search for the coin you would like to buy or sell. So let's say I would like to buy DOT. I will go ahead, fill in DOT, and then you will see all the spot, futures and EFT pairs available. So the first pair is the DOT USDT. It's also the pair I would like to trade. But below that you will see that you can also buy DOT using Bitcoin. So click on the pair you would like to trade, and then you will be sent over to a page looking similar to this one. Now when you scroll down a bit, you will see the buy and the sell section. So if you would like to buy cryptocurrency, you need to go over to the buy section, fill in the price you would like to buy. You can also click on the drop down arrow and select the less price, 1%, 3% or 5%, and then you need to fill in the amount of DOT or any other cryptocurrency you would like to buy. You can also decide to click on 25, 50, 75 or 100% of your holdings, and then you just need to click on buy. And if you would like to sell your cryptocurrency, you need to go over to the sale section, fill in the price you would like to sell. If the price is higher than the current market price, your cryptocurrency won't be sold until the market price reaches the price you fill in. And if the market price does not go high, it won't be able to sell. So you just need to fill in the amount and then click on sell. Now if you have still got any question at all, or if I didn't explain something clearly enough, please ask me in the comment section below so I can help you out. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.